Hello guys, this is Ali Reza. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Smart Home. In this video, I'll show you how you can reset Lamborghini Kaadas Smart Door lock, the one that has face recognition, in case you forgot master pin code. Before continuing the video, please click the subscribe button if you haven't done it and motivate me to upload more videos. Thank you. Stay with me. This is the inside panel. For resetting the door lock to factory default, the upper cover must be removed. After removing the upper cover, here you can find the reset button. While the battery is inserted, pressing the reset button twice, the door lock is reset to factory default. The door lock is reset and you have to set it up.